Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to crop your picture on the Visoir application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on a picture that you want to edit. And then you should slide to the right side of the screen till you find the crop button. So here you should crop your picture. You can also choose from the preset options down below, which is the third option. So here you can see how it looks like. So these are basically frames that will crop your picture, but feel free to adjust it by zooming in and out and adjusting the frame to the relevant part of your picture. So after that, you should tap on the done button down below and your picture will be cropped. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.